Firstly, you'll be asked what your main security challenge is. There may be lots of challenges, but try and concentrate on the one that's most meaningful for you. As you click through, you'll find some questions about your business and your environment. Just select what's right for you so that we can feed that into your personalised report. Try and be as accurate as you can, and then select Create Report. You'll receive an email with a link to download your personalised report, where you can find information provided on key areas as well as personalised information based on your input. In less than 2 minutes, your personalised report will provide you insights and information based on your security challenges and what's important to you. It will help empower you to decide on what your next steps are and how to move forward. Thanks for watching.